Hello children, hi and welcome to English Corner. Now we are going to have a just recap of the previous sessions. Okay, what we learned yesterday, what we learned in the previous session. Yes, you remember how the dog found himself a new master, right? Dog and wolves were there. By seeing the picture, what you understood? Dog is searching for a master who is the strongest in the earth, right? Now, dogs who selected dog selected whom? Yes, dear. Fantastic, wolf. First, dog selected wolf as the master. Why? Because the dog thought wolf is the strongest in the earth. Then wolf was afraid of bear. So dog left wolf and selected bear as the master. Then again, what happened? Fantastic. Bear was afraid of lion. So dog left bear and selected lion as the master. Right? And it was for long time. Lion and dog were together for a long time. Okay, nobody else can touch dog because dog was with the lion, the king of the forest. Then what happened one day? Lion was afraid of a man, human. See how majestic and gigantic he was, right? Having a lion in his hand. Fantastic picture, isn't it? So now lion was afraid of man. So dog decided lion is also not the strongest creature in the earth. So he left lion and selected human as the master. Right? This is what we saw in the last session. Right? And dog went and joined man and stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago. Till today, dog is the most loyal servant and knows no other master. Right? So the dog was the first animal tamed by man. Now the question answers. Right? Shall we write our classworks? Take your classwork, write the index page. Chapter 2, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. This is the heading. Handwriting should be very neat. A cursive handwriting, right side slanting, it has to be very neat. Okay, if the space is not enough, just go on to the next line. Don't write it in a small letter in that space itself. Go in for the next line in the index page itself, right? And enter into the classwork. Write today's date. Write chapter 2, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. Okay, write it very clearly. Then, first Roman, you have to write synonyms. Synonyms you have to write from the book, from the content book, which words are difficult for you. Any 5 words you select, and write it, and the meaning also you search in dictionary and you write in your classwork. And the second Roman is answer the following. That is what I have given here. First question, why did the dog feel the need for a master? Again, I am reading the question. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? So, usually what we will do is, okay, we used to discuss the question, then only we will write the classwork. Do you remember that? Those days when we are writing our classwork, first we will discuss about the answers. Okay, for that particular question. Same way here also, we are discussing now. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Why the dog need a master? The dog felt the need for a master because he was sick and tired of wandering about alone, looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. Okay, stronger than the dog. The dog felt the need for a master because he was sick and tired of wandering alone, looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. Any doubt, children? The dog was sick and tired, right? So, by writing the question itself, it has to be memorized, it has to be in your mind. So, when we are keeping test, at that time, you should write on your own. You should have the capability to write on your own, right? Shall we move to the second question? Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? See, who did he choose first? The dog first chose a big, strong, and fierce wolf as his master. Chose is the past tense for choose. Chose a big, strong, and fierce. Three adjectives they are using for wolf. Big, strong, and fierce wolf as his master. Once the dog saw that the wolf was afraid that the bear would eat them up, since the dog wanted to serve only the strongest, he left the wolf and asked the bear, who was stronger than the wolf, to be his master. You understood the concept? The dog first chose a big, strong, and fierce wolf as his master. What happened then? Once the dog saw that the wolf was afraid of the bear, why wolf was afraid of the bear? The wolf thought the bear would eat them up. Since the dog wanted to serve only the strongest on the earth. So he left the wolf and asked the bear, who was stronger than the wolf, to be his master. Any doubt, children? Is it clear? Second question, is it clear? Third question. Who did he choose next? Next to wolf. He chose the bear to be his next master. Okay. Next to wolf, he chose bear. Fourth question. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? Very good question. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? He served the lion for a long time because, here you can write served also. He served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful and stronger than lion in the forest. And so, no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for a long time. Now, why did he serve the lion for a long time? It's a very good question. Again and again, repeated question in your question paper. Very important question in your question paper. He served the lion for a long time because he found that there was no more powerful and stronger than lion. Stronger creature, you can write creature also. You powerful and stronger creature than lion in the forest, and so no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for long time. Is it clear, ma? Shall we move to the next question? Fifth question. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? This is also an important question here. he finally chose man as his master because one day he realized that lion was afraid of man. As he wanted to serve someone who was the most powerful and stronger than anyone on earth, he chose man as his master. Right? Again, one time we'll repeat the answers. He finally chose man as his master because one day, for a long time, he lived with lion, isn't it? But one day he realized that lion was afraid of man. The dog wanted to serve only for the strongest creature on the earth. So, as he wanted to serve someone who was the most powerful and stronger than anyone on earth, he chose man as his master. Children, do you have any doubt in this session, in this slide, in these question and answers, 5 question and answers? Yes? Okay. Now, shall we move to the textbook exercises, dear? Right? So, the first one, a summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks to complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the box. Now, the boxes are given. A dog, stronger than anyone else, the strongest of all, a wolf, the bear, afraid of man, his own master, a lion. These are the wordings given in the book in a tabular column. Right, what you have to do is, you have to fill in the blanks with the words given in this. Right? The question is, this is the story of dash. This is a story of what? Think and tell me. Check the wordings also if you want. Who used to be dash? He decided to find a master. First he found Dash, but the wolf was afraid of Dash. The dog thought that the bear was Dash. After some time, the dog met Dash, who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was Dash. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Yes. Have you found the answers? Fantastic. I'm hearing so many yes, yes, yes. Good. So check it out. Check it out, shall we? Shall we see the answer? Right. This is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First he found a wolf. But the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains the man's best friend. Children, do you have any doubt in this exercise? And textbook exercises has to be written in the textbook itself using pencil. Use pencil and see here. Till 5th question, you are writing in your classwork. Okay? Draw a line for each and every question. Finish that. Then when you are coming to textbook exercises, you have to write in your textbook itself. Take pencil and follow this. See, I just segregated the exercises into small partition because there is a dash for you to understand in a good manner. But it will be looking like this only, right? So use pencil to write the answer, check out the answer, and finally you correct it. If your answers are wrong, now you see this and check it. Okay, children, we'll meet in the next